It's quite easy prime number, and means it's not easy, but I will explain in a very easy manner, and you guys won't be forget it. Okay. So first, what's the definition of a prime number? The definition of a prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 or itself is called a prime number. Like 4. Let me give an example. 16. So what are the factors of 16? 16 can be divided by 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16, correct? These are the
Yes,
factors
yes.
of 16. All these
Yes.
numbers can 16 can be get divided by this. Get divided by this means factor means what? Ki like if I divide 16, means if I write modulus of 4, I will get to 0, correct? If I write modulus of 8, I will get 0. If I write modulus of 16, I will get 0. So whenever a number is divisible by, when we say a number is divisible by something, that means the modulus, the remainder of that thing is 0, correct? So clear until here? Varun, clear? Akash?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Yes.
So when I say a number should be, a number is a prime number when it's divisible by 1 or itself means, like take for example 23, okay? So what are the factors of 23? There are only two factors of 23, 1 and 23, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So whenever there are only two factors, it's a prime number, correct? That way we can say it now. Like 25, how many factors are there for 25? For 23 there are two. Okay, how many factors for 25? 1,
3.
3,
5.
not 5 and 25. Three factors are there.
1, 5. Yes.
Three factors. So it's not a prime number. So what is a prime number which has only two factors, correct? So we will
Yes.
use this logic to create a definition of a prime number, okay? We will take one number like 15. So how did I find this key? 1, 5 and 25 are the factors. First I check by dividing it by 1. So it's when check here is 1 divided by 25. Yeah, so it got divided. Then I check for 2, 3, 4, it doesn't get. Then I check 5. So 5 is divided, so I add it here. So we have to check each number till that number, correct? Starting from 1, we have to check till that number. How many factors are there? So what I will write like for I in range to check for each number starting from 1 till that number I will write n plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because if I want to check like the output of this for loop will be, if I print I, what will be the output of this for loop? 1 to 15, correct? Because n plus
Yeah.
1 means 16. So it will go till 15 only. So to run a loop starting from 1 to 15, I will write like this for I in range 1 to 15. Okay. So I will check, I will take one parameter like c equal to 0. It will be my counter. It will count the values. Okay. So if n modulus I equal to 0, then I will increment the c. Okay. C equal to c plus 1. So at that, what will be the value of the c? 4. How 4 comes? Like, let's trace this code. Okay. What's the value of I first? The value of I is 1. Correct? In the
Yes.
first
Yeah,
loop,
yeah.
the value of I will be 1. And the value of n is 15. So when we divide 15 by 1, what will be the remainder? 0. So this condition is satisfied. So C will get incremented by 1, correct? C का value क्या होगा 1, correct?
हाँ.
After that, I's value will be 2. So n divided by 2 means 15 modulus 2. Remainder will be 1 now. So it's not equal to 0. The condition is not satisfied. So C's value won't be incremented. Till now we had C's value is 1. So in the similar manner, we will check for 3, 4, 5. For 5, this condition, if condition is satisfied, C's value will get incremented to 2. For 3 also the condition is satisfied. It get incremented to 3. And for 15 again the condition is satisfied and the final value of C is 4, correct?
Yes.
Understand this logic?
Yeah,
Varun?
then if C is greater than 2, then it is not a prime. If C is equal to 2, then it is prime number.
No.
Okay.
Varun, you didn't get it what I'm saying. Like if I write 23 here, what will be the output I get?
2, right?
2.
Why 2? Because this condition will be satisfied at two scenarios only. When i's value is 1 and i's value is 23. Correct?
Yes.
Just tell me the factors of this. 32 के कितने factors रहेंगे?
5, I don't know. Maybe.
Around 5, 6. So it's not a prime number, correct? No?
It's definitely not a prime number.
So what we can write here is like we can write now if c equal to 2, print it's a prime number. Else, अगर c की value, if c value is different than 2, any value there will be, then it's not a prime number, correct? Does this make
Can
sense?
you run this? Can you run this for n equal to 1?
N equal to 1. What about n? N is sorry, 1 is neither prime nor composite, correct? No?
I don't know.
Yeah, actually the definition of number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Okay. So whenever we talk about prime numbers, it starts from 2. Okay. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So 2 is a prime number. So it's a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 8 is not a prime number. So you understand this logic?
Yes.
Okay. I have one more logic to solve a prime number. Varun, did you get the logic here?
Yeah, I got the logic. Yeah.
Okay. Like what I'm saying is, what is a prime number? A prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 or itself. It has only two factors, 1 and itself. So this statement, I can say this statement in another way also, ki, like a number is a prime number when it's not divisible by any other number than 1 or itself. Correct? Well, if we keep apart 1 and the number itself, there will be no factor of a number. Then it's a prime number. Like 23, if I keep 1 and 23 aside, is this number will going to have any factors? Guys?
No. No.
Oh, no, it won't have any factors now. So instead of taking a range from 1 to that number, like n equal to 23, what we write here, n plus 1 now. Instead of taking this, I will write starting from 2, I will write n only. Okay. So what's the range for this? For any number, what will be the range? It will start from checking from 2 till that number, letting that number out. Like if I talk about 23, then this loop will run for 2 to 22 only, correct? 2 till 22, correct? This number will run.
Yes.
And now, is there any number which is divisible by 23? Is there will be any number present which is divisible by 23? No, no.
No.
So we can use this one. Here what I'm write, if n modulus 1, n modulus I equal to 0. So whenever if any of the number between 2 and n minus 1 get divisible by n, then it's not a prime number. So what I would do is I will print it not a prime number and I will break this code. For के साथ else में what I will write? I will write if it's not a prime number, then it is a prime number. Let me explain this. It's a prime number. Okay, let me explain it. Like take one number like 15, okay? Varun, Akash, I am going to take 15 and we will trace this code, okay? So what's the value of I first will be? I will start from
2.
2. So is 2 divisible by 15? No.
No.
So is this condition satisfied? No. After that, what's i's value will be? I's value will be 3, correct? So if I write 15
Yes.
modulus 3 equal to 0, this condition is satisfied now.
Yes.
So what it will do, it will print it's not a prime number. Okay. And 15 is obviously not a prime number. So it will print it's not a prime number and the for loop get breaks. And when the for loop get breaks using a break statement, the else part won't be running, correct? So what we will get? We will get it's not a prime number as output. And if I take some prime number as a number, like 23. So for taking 2 to till 22, is there any i's value where the n modulus I will be 0? No. So this condition will never get satisfied. This statement won't be printed and the for loop never gets break. So once the for loop come till 22, the else part will print it's a prime number. Did you understand it?
Yeah.
Yes.
A bit of it. Okay, fine. So if you practice both these methods now, you will get into it. Okay, get the hold of it. The second one is simpler one. We don't have to use again if else statement. We just finished it using for and else part. Okay, try to do it by yourself. And again, if you face any difficulties, we can discuss. Okay, on Wednesday.
Mm.
So tomorrow, yeah.
Can you show this? Can you show this with using while? I mean, I wanted to think of how to convert a for to a while. Maybe you can show an example.
Yeah. That's what we are going to start now. That's the main thing which we are going to discuss because the logic part is same now. If you understand how to convert a for loop into a while loop, then we are done. Correct?
Yeah, yes. I wanted to know like.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I will end this call here and we will start again a new call where we will going to discuss the while loop. Okay. We will.
Subscribe to TechArena Learning Hub channel for more informative videos like this.